I built this tool, this indicator, because I was tired of running 5 tools at the same time. That's the S4R Mastermind Indicator. I'll show you what it does. Pretty much it's telling you what's going on. It's telling you when there's institutional volume. It's telling you when they're seeking buy side or sell side liquidity. It's telling you when they're doing stop loss hunting. It's telling you if you're breaking structure. It shows you your previous day high and your previous day lows. It shows you the 200-day EMA that's baked in, supply and demand, change of character, previous day low sweeps, and it's showing you this table. It lets you know when the market's in chop mode, you probably need to wait. It's assisting you in your trading. It's allowing you to read the chart without using more brain power. It gives you plays based on confluence though, right? If enough confluences occur, then you'll get an entry, a stop loss, and a take profit target. That's what's going on. There's power now, no power in later. Tap the link and get the Mastermind Indicator today.